Okay.
Okay, to start the system, you gotta turn the key on, wait for this screen to come up with the gauges on it, and this light goes off. Oh, it's this light over here, I'm sorry. Once we start it, we get the hydraulic lockout, so we've got full hydraulics on it. In order to run the remote control, you have to put it on the rail. Remote doesn't work up on the road tires. Okay, both couplers have to be all the way down. And then put the switches in a neutral position. Alright, we hit the remote control switch. Twist the button on here 3/4 of a turn. Push the start button, it'll bring it up. After you hit the start button, this will be your horn button. That tests that you're in remote mode. And there's an instruction manual that goes through all this in a DVD. So you got your throttle, brakes for the Trackmobile, and then your train air brakes on both sides here. Your coupler switches are down in here, so you got your front coupler, rear coupler. You got your up, down, neutral, side shift, left to right, uncouple. You got your forward reverse for moving the unit, gear shift up or down, it's 2 speeds. And again, you've got your coupler for your rear over here on this switch. Air bell here, horn here, sander here. Okay, this is going to show you on your PSI when you're building the air pressure up or releasing it. I just built the pressure up to 90. And as I'm taking the air out to put the train brakes on, you'll see the pressure goes down. You can either watch the lights outside or you can watch your pressure in here. You can scroll through this. This tells your fuel, how much fuel you have in here. You can go up and down with this. It's going to tell you your temperatures of the system. Okay, we're going to move it. We're going to go forward. Throttle and brake is proportional to whatever speed you want and how fast you want to put the brakes on. If I want to just temporarily shut the system down, I'm outside, I'm out of the cab. This switch here on the left. It's going to show you here. Tells you what to do. Go to the next after you read it. If you're okay with it, I can shut it down. If I get through that part and I don't want to shut it down, I can just go to the right and hit cancel and it continues to operate. If I want to start it up again, now we're back to remote control. Typically, you wouldn't want to leave the unit shut down in this mode for probably more than 20 minutes to a half hour, because all your systems in here is still going to be active, so you're just going to drain on the battery. So if you know you're going to shut the system down for a while, then you'd want to come in and shut the system down. So to shut the system down, basically we're going to push the red button in. So this takes care of this. Come back to the cab, shut the remote off, and now we're back to regular operation of the unit inside the cab.